Hi, my name is Ezekiel Liatawa and this video is for educational purposes. In this video, I will be demonstrating the functionality of port scan. I'll just sign in first. Okay, first I'll open a new terminal window and discover the scan options using the command nmap-h. So, nmap space -h. This command displays the different types of scanning options, and the reason I used this command was to display the other commands over here and use the one which finds the operating system. The next step, I will conduct a port scan to target the machine of my Windows 10 client. So I will go into my Windows 10 client, find its IP address using command prompt. So this is my client. Command prompt and find its IP. So the IP I'll be using is 192.168.0.22. So I'm going to put that. So we're going to use the command -o to enable OS detection. So I'll start off with a simple command nmap .168.0.22. So as you can see, I've conducted a port scan of my Windows 10 Wellington machine, and these are the results. So now my next step is to identify the operating system's type, and so the command I'll be using is the one I showed you before, the -o. So it will be nmap -O, and I would also use -T4 to speed up the process of 192.168.0.22. So the command that I've done is saying do network mapping to find the operating system at a faster pace than the machine 192.168.22 or .0.22. As we wait for the results come. So as we look, the results came back with an undefined operating system. So, but as you can see here, this part is the alternative. So that is the TCP/IP fingerprint alternative of the operating system. And the OS detection was performed, but the OS was not found accordingly. So I will try and do a more aggressive scan to find the nearest OS to the machine, and that command will be nmap dash lowercase s capital V space dash capital O space dash lowercase v and 192.168.0.22. So this means network mapping to probe open ports, that's this one, to identify service and version info. Then enable operating system detection, so that's this one. And then increase the verbosity level for the machine 192.168.0.22. So the command is running. And the results were executed successfully. So as we can see here, in this section here, the OS is Windows, and yes, my client has a Windows operating system, and yeah, and so the last task is I will explain the scan results and how it can be reported ethically. So the results showcase the command I used to identify the OS as trying to pinpoint a similar match to the machine because the other command was not able to pin the OS. So that's this command that I recently used. So this is the command that that pinpointed the OS's exact match or similar match to the client machine. And the other command, I used this one, was not able to identify the OS for the Windows 10 client. And also, as you can see here, this is where the command tried to constantly find the OS of the machine. Over here, this is where the ports of the machine of the 192.168.0.22. These are the ports that are open, and that's the state. So it's, the port 135 TCP port is open, and the service that's provided is NSRPC, and the version is a Microsoft Windows RPC. And as you can see over here, this is the network distance. So the network distance is 1 hop, and so the information that I sent to the target went through one router to reach its destination. So the command I used, this one, the message was sent through to the target and only managed to do 1 hop. So that's the measurement, the network measurement used to calculate how long it took to get to the target machine and come back, and that was 1 hop. And yes, I think that's all. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed.